In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Shopify domain to another store. Whether you're rebranding, expanding to a different niche, or for any other reason, transferring your domain is a pivotal step, and I'm here to guide you through it smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the bottom left of your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you will find the Settings button. It's your control center for configuring your store, so go ahead and click it. Once you've entered the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side to find an option labeled Domains. Go ahead and click on Domains. Once inside the domain settings, you'll notice a list of all domains currently associated with your store. This page provides you with a snapshot of domains, showing both primary and secondary domains linked to your Shopify account. It's important to identify the right domain you wish to transfer, ensuring there's no confusion, especially if you handle multiple domains. Next, locate the domain you intend to move. Click on this domain, and you'll be presented with options to manage it. Among these options, you should see an option to change or transfer your domain. Click this option, and you're one step closer to your goal. At this stage, you're prompted to enter the new domain you want to associate with your Shopify store. Take a moment to double-check the information you input, ensuring that it precisely matches your intended new domain. Accuracy here is crucial to prevent any unwanted downtime or confusion. Once you've entered your new domain details, go ahead and finalize the changes. And there you have it. Your Shopify domain is now successfully moved to another store. These steps are designed to offer a clear path with as little friction as possible. But if at any point something seems amiss, remember to pause and reach out to Shopify support or refer to their extensive online resources. Now, wasn't that straightforward? In just a few clicks, you've managed to transfer your domain and continue with your e-commerce journey seamlessly. Good luck with your continued Shopify adventure, and remember that each modification you make keeps you aligned with your brand's growth and evolution. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next video.